Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green tea extract for skin. Start by brewing strong green tea and cooling it slightly before mixing with your chosen solvent. Combine measured tea with 40% to 60% ethanol or vegetable glycerin for a gentle extract. Steep in a sealed jar for 2 to 4 weeks in a cool, dark place, shaking daily to encourage extraction and clarity. Measure your ingredients precisely for consistent results. 10 grams of loose green tea or 4 tea bags works well per 100 ml solvent. If you prefer a preservative effect, use 40% to 60% ethanol. Choose vegetable glycerin for a gentler, alcohol-free option. Add small amounts of vitamin E or about 1% essential oil for fragrance, keeping concentrations low for skin safety and irritation prevention. Brew your green tea around 80 degrees C for about 3 minutes to protect its active compounds. Let the tea cool, then mix it with your solvent at a 1:1 or 1:2 ratio by volume depending on strength desired. Transfer to a sealed, sanitized jar and store in a cool, dark spot, shaking daily for 2 to 4 weeks to maximize extraction and avoid mold or bacterial growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.